During the last decade, Staph and MRSA bacteria have become dangerously resistant to antibiotics after repeated exposure. Over time, these resistant strains make traditional treatments less effective and harder to manage. The lesson scientists have learned from this problem isn't just about stronger drugs, it's about protecting balance. Our skin isn't a sterile surface, it's an ecosystem filled with helpful microbes that work alongside us. When antibiotics wipe out both good and bad bacteria, that ecosystem can fall out of harmony. Researchers now study how probiotic science might help maintain that natural equilibrium instead of destroying it. Topical probiotics don't target disease, they help support the environment healthy skin depends on. It's a new chapter in the conversation about Staph, MRSA, and antibiotic resistance, shifting from eradication to restoration. Education and prevention start with understanding the skin's microbiome and how to care for it. This philosophy inspired Nutra to explore probiotic-infused creams and sprays that nurture the skin's natural defenses. Their formulations focus on hydration, balance, and microbiome support, an approach built on cooperation, not conflict. Learn more about Nutra's advanced microbiome-friendly skincare for a post-antibiotic recovering world.